Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Russell 2000. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for presented accounts. So let's get going. Last time we were covering the whole structure of this asset from the start to current date, and now I've refined the count for this current structure here. So today we are again looking only into this structure. We have two different counts, saying one of primary ending here around March 2021, and second high time frame option is having wave 1 up here. I'm not completely happy with the structure here, and especially the last leg here for the fifth wave, but I'm still keeping this open and might need to refine this a bit at some point. For the first option we have this kind of expanding flat. Let's get rid of the volume for now. Saying that we have ABC here, ABC, and B wave getting past the start of this whole structure, creating this expanded flat. For the C wave we would be looking for 5-way structure, so there's a couple of different options. Impulse wave structure here, saying 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The third wave did not get to the 1.618 here, so this could again be just the start of another lower degree wave structure in here. However, again, as the higher time frame count of the ABC is getting so extended already, 2.618 of the first leg, this is making this whole structure unlikely, as we are expecting more downwards movement. Then we have another option here saying that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and currently looking for fifth. This is again with a diagonal, expanding diagonal, ending diagonal, and these are the targets that we're basically looking for. Usually the wave 5 here would go to the area where we have this lower trend line, and currently it would again mean more than almost like 20% drop, which is definitely something that we don't want to see. But overall this structure is giving so many bearish outlooks on every single count that I can create at the very moment. It is not really looking good on this asset. Now whether B is done or not, we are creating one more high here and then coming down. We should be seeing more clarity on this count. For this last leg we are actually, these are wrong degrees, let me fix that. There we go. So again, 3 waves here, A, B and C into W, 3 waves into X, and now looking for 3 waves into the Y, creating the last legs here. This would finish this structure, and then we could be looking at something else. This lower trend line could be around the 0.5 fib if this is indeed where we have the wave 1 here. Now this diagonal also fits the other option where we have this wave 1 up here. At this point we would have this as a leading diagonal, leading expanding diagonal, just being the start of the corrective pattern. Now again, if this is the case, we have the 5 ways here, meaning that this is the start of a 5-way structure. So either we have this as an A, B and C coming down lower, or this is some kind of a 1-2 structure here, which would be more bearish, and which at that case I would be expecting this low here where we started this wave structure here would be broken, and this correction is actually the start of a way larger correction that would take a really long time in price and in time. Continuing with this option where we have wave 1 up here, we have this one. Again, this is labeled with 1, 2, another 1, 2, because this wave structure did not get to the expected value of 1.618, and another 1, 2 here. Let's get into smaller time frame to see the wave count. Another 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2. Again, this structure here did not get to the 1.618. Again, these are not This is basically the most bearish scenario I can pull out here at this moment. But again, these targets should be reached generally, but they're not needed. Just keep in mind that this is the most bearish outlook. After this 1-2, another 1-2. So invalidation point basically up here, and that would invalidate. Let's see what we have here. I'll just set the alarm later. But invalidation point around the $194 area, at least on iShares Russell 2000, depending on the asset you're trading for. Russell 2K depends on the value, of course. But here we would be needing again to end the micro count, then we would enter the sub-minuet count, then the minuet count, then the minute count, then then the minor count, and only then we would be able to finish the A wave here, as this is a 5-way structure. Then we would be looking for the B and C. So yeah, a lot of correction to be done. Lastly, I had this presented last time as well, where we had a possibility for this to be an A wave, this second structure here as a B wave, and then looking for the X wave. Currently this is already invalidated as B wave go above the or below the 1.618 here. So instead we would have to shift these A, B, C here, and actually this looks to be, well, it could be an ending diagonal here, something like this. So the X would be here. Currently, again, here we would be looking for wave Y, and we would be having the same structure basically that we had for the diagonal here, for an ABC, for the WX, and creating the Y wave. Same targets basically, a different outlook. But that's basically the stuff I wanted to share on Russell 2K. It looks really bearish on all of the scenarios I could find. Let me know if you have another count that would make this more bullish. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.